Hi everyone, this is my new choreography, Mesin Waktu. 32 count, 2 wall, have a 2 take, 2 restart, and 1 change step. Level, low, intermediate. Let's begin section 1. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 3. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. This choreography have a 2 take, a 2 restart, and 1 change step. Take and restart on wall 2 after 20 counts. Wall 2 facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and take 2 counts, sway 1, 2, and then restart. And doing wall 3. On wall 4, have a change step and restart. Wall 4 facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, change step, and 8 and restart. Next, take 2 after wall 5 facing 6 o'clock, 4 count. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. Start again. Thank you. Enjoy the dance.